what actually happens in the job market or labor market? It's actually basically two common fundamental thing happens. You are looking for a job, so basically you are willing to sell your skill to a particular team or company and you want to join them. So basically you are looking for a job, so it means your skill is for hire, available for hire right now. And now the same time in the opposite side it happened when, let's say, you're a manager or you're a hiring manager, or you're working in HR or even a director or a CEO or any kind of leadership role, you're often looking for people to join. That means you want to rent or buy or hire other people to join your team or join basically you're looking for the skill to be part of your team so you can get things done moving forward. So that's why it's so much important when you look about when you are having a house or have a property, you're always putting it for sale, right? So what do you do? It's good to run an ad in a particular sale. If you have a house, you put it on. If you want to sell the house or you want to rent the house, you put it on house for rent or house for sale. So same way you can actually do in the LinkedIn profile, you have open to work, and that will bring you more passively people who are looking for recruiters or other leaders. They will look at your profile and say you're open for work, and they will immediately send you a message and inbox you. And that's the way you can have more inbound opportunity, job opportunity to transfer and sell your skill. The same way, when you are a customer, you're looking to buy, if you put an ad in front of your house, say, hey, I'm looking for people to join my team. So same time that you want to buy a particular product, so the sellers around that area will see that one and they will come on and say, hey, I have your stuff, what you're looking for, I want to sell it to you. So the same way, if you are a hiring manager or looking for people to join your team, if you could use a LinkedIn profile hiring tag, that when people will see that means you are hiring, so they will be able to inbox you and join your team. So it's passively people coming into it. And here's the best part. When it comes to the LinkedIn, your profile is global. It's not been localized in a particular place. Let's say when you run an ad in an ad board in the next to the street, only the people who pass by the street, they will be seeing that. But when you are putting in a profile and you have hundreds or thousands of connections, everybody will see you are hiring. Everybody will see that you are open to work. So there means a lot more traffic and opportunity is going to be open to you to join a particular team and sell your skill and get your salary to take your career forward and make your life better. At the same time, there's a lot of opportunity. People can join your team and you can build the team or take your career success forward. If you're a manager, you make your role successful and take your company initiative forward. If you're an entrepreneur, you bring people into your team and work together and get your dream come true. So in this video, I will show you how you can efficiently manage this hiring tag in your profile so you can passively recruit a lot of candidates or passively you get a lot of jobs moving forward. You want that, right? So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. After working like last 15 years in IT field, this is what I realized. What is IT? Yeah. Sure, it happened. Thank you. So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them? So to do this one, when you log into the LinkedIn profile, it's going to be most likely like this. It's going to be a home page, right? So let's switch to my profile first. So I'm going to click view profile. So now I'm come to my profile right now. So here it shows my profile picture, and here is the one I want to add the tag in this place on my profile picture. So do this one. Let's say what I'm looking for right now. Currently I'm recruiting a business development manager. There's a position has been posted a few minutes ago for one of my agency, which is VSHR Pro Academy. So I'll add it in as a hiring so people can see that I'm hiring and people can actively reach me out so I can interview them and see how they're really good. And basically when they reach out to them, I can go to the LinkedIn profile and can see what they are. So here is the way. So first I'm going to add a hiring. So basically all you need to do, click in the photo and you can see there's an option called frames. You click here and here is the option hiring and open to work. So that means when you are looking for jobs, you can just select open to work. It will exactly look like this. Just click here. And if you're hiring for a particular position, you just click here and it will show the hiring. So like an example, if you're a professional looking for a job, just put on the frame, click and apply. It will be visible for all LinkedIn members. So that means everybody, you will be able to find it, which is the best way to doing that one, because it will be available for everyone. Everyone in the LinkedIn, they will be seeing that one. And based on the algorithm, the people in your country will see the most, or industry. So as I'm hiring, so I'm going to select hiring frames, this tag, and I'm going to put apply into it. And as soon as I put this one, and then you can say add to profile. It's asking me to add this profile. So yes, I'm going to add the profile because it's intelligent to this one. You can actually make a post about this one that you are hiring for this role, but for right now I already posted, so I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to put the no thanks, and I'm going to just refresh the page, and here you go. I refresh the page, and now it's the tag appearing hiring. So people who ever pass by my profile, because let's say right now there is a 1,000 people visiting my profile every day, or sorry, in 28 days. So they will be seeing that I'm hiring, and LinkedIn, based on the algorithm, also promote to the other people who are looking for the jobs my profile, so they're able to know that I'm hiring, so they will be able to join my team. So that's the way you can easily recruit passively candidate to join your team. In the same way, by using the other tag, by using the open to work, you can passively get the recruiters or hiring manager to approach to you and get a job. So you can always sending a lot of profile, but you by using this open to work, you can actually receive the opportunity and get the job as well too. Not just only applying online and in LinkedIn or other job application website. You want that right? All the best. Use these tips to take your career forward, get the best opportunity so your career becomes successful, so you can take care of yourself, your family, and become successful. Good luck. And I'm sure that you'll be able to achieve your success. All the best.